We got a crazy one for you today. 3 watermelons in a washing machine on high speed. Let's see what it does, not only to the washing machine, but to the watermelons too. Okay, here goes, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Look at all that watermelon juice. We found ourselves a new blender. Well, there we have it. Smash the paddle. This is what happens to your watermelons when you chuck it in a washing machine. It smells lovely. And definitely a new blender for when it comes to juicing your watermelons. But in all honesty, I thought it was going to do a bit better than that. I thought the machine would be bouncing around and all that kind of stuff. But still, good experiment, worth a go. If you like more crazy videos like this, please like, tag, share and subscribe. Always helps our channel. Thanks for watching.